Hello students, let's read the question. In the figure 7.21, we have given that AC is equals to AE and AB is equals to AD and angle BAD is equals to angle EAC, so that BC is equals to DE. Let's do it. First, let's write what we have already given. We have given that AB is equals to AD and AC is equals to AE, and we also have given that angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. Now we have to prove what we have to prove. We have to prove that line segment BC and DE are similar. So let's prove it. Here is the proof. We know that angle BAD is equals to angle EAC, that is already given. Now by adding DAC on both sides, we get angle BAD plus angle DAC is equals to angle EAC plus angle DAC. We added DAC on both sides. So from here we can imply that angle BAC is equals to angle EAD. Angle BAC is equals to angle EAD. So now triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE by the side angle side congruency, since first condition is AC is equals to AE, that is already given, and second condition is angle BAC is equals to angle EAD, and third condition is AB is equals to AD, that is also given. So from this we can say that therefore triangle ABC and triangle ADE are similar. So from this we can say that, so by the rule of corresponding parts of congruent triangle, it can be said that BC should also be equals to DE. So using the property of triangle and other properties, we have proved that BC is equals to DE in this figure. So students, hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.